Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the topic error analysis in science of measurement. Um, in previous class we had seen about the calibration technique. So why we need the calibration for an instrument and what are the procedures to be followed for instrument calibration and what are the types of calibration, right? So today we are move on to the error analysis techniques. Okay. Errors in measurements and then their times. Okay, so errors in measurement, that is a measurement cannot be made without errors. So errors can be only minimized but not eliminated completely. So the measurement error is the difference between the measured quantity and its their true value. Okay, so the types of error in measurement can be classified into three main types, that is gross error, systematic error and then random error. Okay, so this systematic error further classified into three types, that is instrumentation error, observational error and then environmental error. Okay, so first one is the gross error. These gross errors are largely due to the human factors such as misreading of the instrument and incorrect adjustment and improper applications of instruments, right? So the computational error also comes under the gross errors also. Gross errors mainly happens in the analog meters like voltmeter, ammeter, like that. So the common gross errors is mainly focusing on the improper selection of the instrument. For example, we can take it as a voltmeter, which is used to measure the potential difference across the 2 points in a circuit. It should have input impedance greater than the output impedance about 10 times. But the output impedance of the circuit is normally not known before taking the readings. So hence the selection of voltmeter may not be made correctly, leading to gross error. So the large number of gross errors is due to the carelessness of the observer, that is the human being, and then improper positioning of the instrument also cause the gross errors. Okay, so these are all the reasons to get a gross error. How it can be eliminated means, this error is at most eliminated in auto ranging digital meter. Okay, it can also eliminated by taking the number of readings of the same quantity and by the number of observers. That's why we can eliminate the gross errors. Not fully completely, it can be eliminated. Okay, and then second type is systematic error. This systematic error is due to shortcoming of the instruments and change in external condition affecting the measurements. So this further classified into instrumentation error, observational error and environmental error. This instrumentation error arises due to the change in the properties of the components used in the instrument. It can be avoided by calibrating the instrument frequently. And the environmental error arises due to the change in the environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, pressure and electrostatic and magnetic fields. And this systematic error can also be divided into static and dynamic errors, and the observational error comes under the gross error also. And then third one is random error. Random errors are unpredictable errors and occur even when all the systematic errors are accounted for it. So even after doing pre-calibration and keeping the instruments in controlled environment, the readings vary slightly over a period of observation. So this error cannot be corrected by any method and it cannot be explained without detailed investigation. So this random errors can be reduced by taking more number of readings and using the statistical method. We can obtain the best approximation to the true value. So this is the statistical method to analyze the errors. So the process of obtaining the probable true value of the measured quantity is called error analysis. So this is necessary to obtain the probable true value of the measured quantity. This following statistical methods are followed, that is arithmetic mean, deviation and then mode and then median and then variance. Okay, so this arithmetic error to find the average value of the reading, and then deviation is nothing but it is the departure of the given reading from the arithmetic mean of a group of reading. Okay, so and then it can calculate the standard deviation and also the average deviation. And then variance is nothing but it is the square value of the standard deviation. Okay, and then mode is nothing but mode is the value which occurs most frequently in a set of observation and around which other items of the set clusters densely. And then median is nothing but known as median value. So the median value is nothing but the reading are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. The middle value of the set is taken as the median. So it is also used to indicate the most probable value of the measured quantity when a set of readings are taken. So this is all about the error analysis techniques. So these statistical methods used for the error analysis problem. So for example, we can take as a problem for homework, the following 10 observations were recorded when measuring a voltage. So we can find the mean value, average deviation, standard deviation, mode and median by using the above formulas. Okay. Thank you so much.